It's been a little while since I posted my last Batman video, and originally I wanted to have the whole costume wrapped up and done before the beginning of July. As you may know, it is not the beginning of July. Anyways, I have made a whole lot of progress since then, except for the legs, but we'll talk about that later. We've got the neck guard, chest plate, ab armor, shoulders, and biceps all completed. But unfortunately, that's only around half the costume. There's still a lot of work left to be completed, but let's take a quick look at every single piece that is done. First up, we have whatever this piece is called. Now this part might look like it's done, but it still needs a bit more work on the inside to cover up that mess. Out of all the pieces here, this part is the closest to being finished. It's just missing a few rivets on the sides, and I need to work out a few kinks with the battering. Just like in the movie though, I want to have it removable. As of right now though, that isn't very possible. The main battering though is able to hinge, and here is a better look at how that works. So far, this is the only part of this costume that uses foam instead of cardboard, and boy, was it difficult to make. I chose to glue it together with contact cement, which is a great glue, but it just takes forever to use. The other major details missing from this part are two zippers at the back, located here and here. And yes, there is stitching in between every single armor panel. It took forever. With the shoulders, I tried to get a bit of a gunmetal color going, since that's what matched the reference best, and I thought it would contrast well with the chest. Wow, that rhymes. Unfortunately, these parts are missing a lot of small details, like rivets and buckle clasps. I have no clue how I'm going to do those right now. There's not really much going on here, just a bit of fabric glued on and stitching along the edges. These are by far my favorite parts I have made so far. I made sure to reference a lot of good pictures I found of the screen use suit. Let me know if you guys want access to all those photos I've collected, because I have a lot of them and they've been very helpful. From the weathering to the small pull tab on the side, I think I just nailed its likeness. It's just so cool to look at. Like, look at that little pull tab with the pull writing. It just looks so good. It also fits pretty well with the shoulders, which is a good bonus. Excluding a couple small details, these pieces are done. There's still a lot of work left to go, especially the forearms, which are very complicated. I'll do a whole nother video just on those. This is just a little update video to let you guys know how the suit is going. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss this thing when it comes out, because trust me, it's gonna be good. See you guys later.